Okay, now we have studied that how Velu came, how Velu ran away from his home and reached to railway station. He was to catch the train. Which train he was to catch?
Chennai Central.
Chennai Central train.
Kanyakumari Express.
Yes, very good. And will you tell me, Jyoti, where we are to start?
Page number 8.
Page number 8.
Yes, I have opened the page number 8 and
First
last paragraph.
first paragraph, sir.
Yes, sir.
First paragraph.
So first paragraph.
Yes, sir.
First paragraph.
Their luggage looking at a TV. Looking at a TV, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hanging from the rope.
So
Which one?
Which was hanging, very good, from the rope. Very good बोलना मैं नहीं भूलूंगा. If you answer well, you must be rewarded, and the reward is very good. And yes, the noise. Good morning. The noise was terrible. The noise at the railway station was terrible, and it was also going on. Velu put. But how can we judge that this is a verb in second form? How can we judge anyone? Velu put. How can you say that is a verb in second form? Can you tell me?
Because this is a story.
Because if it had been in the first form, with the Velu,
Then
it would have been
puts have been written. Puts have been written.
अरे my God, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि if it had been in first form, then it would have been Velu puts, because third person. So it is not present indefinite. It is past indefinite. Verb is here second form. If first form, then it would have been puts. The Velu put what? His head down on his knees. On his knees. ऐसा आप लोग बराबर बैठते भी हैं. हाँ.
Yes.
Down on his knees. And he was feeling miserable. He was feeling
Dukhi.
miserable. Last year I have already supplied.
Dukhi.
Yes.
Dukhi, sad, unhappy.
Dukhi.
One more. Wretched. Wretched बोले थे सचिन. Wretched. WRETCH. Wretched. ये वर्ड कभी आप लोग नहीं बोलते हैं. Miserable, pitiable, you always speak. But wretched. You remember this word. WRETCH. ED.
Yes.
Miserable and exhausted. Exhausted means अरे
Tired.
थका हुआ, tired.
tired. Fatigue. एक नया वर्ड देता हूँ. Fatigue. FATIGU. Fatigue. लिख लीजिए साहब. वोकेबुलरी अब मकसद हम लोग का वोकेबुलरी है.
सर स्पेलिंग क्या बोले हैं?
FATIGU. Fatigue. Fatigue means tired, exhausted. 3 इसका भी हो गया. He had run away. He had run away.
वो भाग चुका था।
परफेक्ट,
भाग चुका था।
भागा
Yes,
था।
हाँ
भागा था।
यस भाग गया था। पास्ट परफेक्ट हैड रन अवे फ्रॉम हिज विलेज 2 days ago. It means that he had not eaten anything for 2 days. After running away from his house, he had not eaten anything, and that is why he was feeling tired and exhausted.
Hungry.
For 2 days he had eaten. अरे ये तो हो गया था, ये तो हो गया था।
नो सर नहीं हुआ था।
He had eaten nothing but some peanuts. Some peanuts. He had taken only peanuts. It is a fruit. Have you ever tasted peanut? Have you
Yes,
ever
sir.
tasted
सर
peanut?
सर
Huh?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
And a piece of jaggery. A piece of jaggery.
Jaggery.
Only these two he had eaten. In the bundle, yes, he had also carried a bundle, not a bag. He had not a bag. Means it is old story in previous. Yes, in his bundle, he carried a shirt. He carried a shirt,
सर
a towel, and a comb. Oh my God! The three things he had kept in a bundle.
in his bundle.
Things were a shirt, towel, and he had walked. कहीं से आवाज आ रही है, कहीं से आवाज आ रही है, उसको जहां से आप आ रहे। He had walked once again past the path. He had walked for most of the day, all the day long. For the first day, he walked and walked. Means when he ran away from his home, he walked all the day long and reached to Kannur. Kannur is a place, and then got on the train to Chennai, and he caught the Chennai train. Means he caught which train? Chennai train. Means he wanted to go to Chennai. Chennai is the capital of
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Yes.
Nadu.
Belu had no money. Here it is not past perfect. Belu had no money. It is simple have, simple had. Had के बाद money है. There is no verb. Yes, Sachin. Belu had no money for a ticket. Without ticket. Or a ticket. Means as he had no money, how could he buy a ticket? But luckily, the ticket collector did not come. Past indefinite. To the unreserved compartment. Compartment means bogie. ट्रेन में बहुत सारे bogie होते हैं. एक bogie means एक compartment. The ticket collector did not come in his compartment to check. Clear है?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे आप लोग यात्रा बहुत किए होंगे, कभी पकड़ाए कि नहीं? हाँ. He had tried. Once again past perfect. Had का दो आया है, simple had and past perfect. He had tried to sleep on the floor at the door. ओहो, अब मुझे याद आया, ये मैं कहा कि मैं पढ़ा था नहीं, ये पूरी कहानी मेघा कल ऑडियो में भेजी थी, अब पूरी कहानी बोल करके ऑडियो में भेजी थी, तो मुझे लगा कि ये मैं पढ़ा हूँ। Tried to sleep on the floor near the door. Near the door. A group of men next to him had played. A group of men next to him had played cards. Means some people were playing cards where Velu
Near him.
was
Sleeping.
sleeping and shouted all night. And while playing cards, they shouted the whole night. All night देख लीजिए. All. एक मिनट. Some, many, several, a number of, a few तो मैं कहा ही हूँ. All के बाद भी plural. Then you will tell all के बाद तो night है, nights होना चाहिए. The night is uncountable. The all is used for both. All and some are used for both. Countable and uncountable. इतना ध्यान में रहेगा. All are used for both countable and uncountable. डिटरमिनस पर मैं इस क्लास में डिटरमिनस पर पूरा ध्यान दे रहा हूँ. सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान में रखेंगे. बी केयरफुल. I what new to town is have you come to a town from the village. अरे गांव का बच्चा जब शहर में जाता है तो he does not know how to maintain the city life, and in a rural form he reaches there, he can easily be recognized there. So what new to town means have you come to the have you come newly to this town. Called out a rough voice. Rough means rugged. Rough voice means the voice was not melodious. Velu opened his eyes. Sound is coming from, yes. Velu opened his eyes. When the stranger asked Velu if he had gone to town newly, मैं डायरेक्ट नरेशन में बना दिया. A stranger asked Velu if he had gone to town newly. Means clear हुआ. Have you come to this town for the first time? उसी का बनाया. If he had gone to the town. Clear है सचिन?
Yes, sir.
ज्योति?
Yes, sir.
अविनाश?
Yes, sir.
Yes, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट पर पढ़ते समय में ध्यान देते जाना है. For the solidification, for the confirmation. There were आ गया फिर से. A lot of people. Clear है? A lot of people are standing around.
Which
Who were?
Who were?
Who were?
Yes, who were standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Look at. Nobody was looking
Stare at, glance at, glaze at.
Very
Glaze at.
Very good. here. A is telling a stranger. He turned around. He turned around. Who turned around?
Hello.
Hello.
Velu. Behind him, there was a girl around his own age. From where the sound is coming? Sound is coming from somewhere. Behind him, there was a girl. Whose age was, यहाँ पर फट जाएंगे, whose age was around his own age. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ये जो बीच बीच में मैं यहाँ पर जो who दे दिया, whose age, that is clause hidden. अब यही करेगा. From here now on, you will have many missing words, and it depends totally on the learning of your language to fill those. बात समझ में आई? आप
Yes, sir.
ऊपर के क्लास में कई वर्ड्स छोड़ के आएंगे. अब आपके लैंग्वेज लर्निंग पर डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ मच यू कैन फिल. Age, wearing a long banyan.
Who was?
Very good. Who was putting on a long banyan? I think it might be the girl is there. The girl who has put on banyan. It will be of her papa's. पापा का बनियान पहन ली होगी. Yes. Wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Means it reached to her knees. Acha. Yesterday I told you that there is a word, there is a piece of cloth which we put on from neck to feet. What is it called? What is it called? A cloth, a piece of cloth. पकड़े गए, सारे पकड़ा गए. A piece of cloth which we put on from neck to feet. What is it called? अभी के क्लास में आया है एक क्लोक, CLOAK आया था सचिन.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये मत कभी सोचिएगा. Whatever the words I supply, you must go through them. Means 2-3 times you must see those words. Only then, otherwise you will easily be caught. Okay. हमारे बहुत अच्छा स्पीड पकड़ रहे हैं. ज्योति, सचिन, मेघा, अविनाश, आशीष भी वो क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजा है. आशीष है कि नहीं? हाँ. उसका भी कल मैं बहुत ही कमेंट नहीं लिख दिया हूँ उसको, अभी कमेंट नहीं लिखा हूँ, परंतु उसका भी सुना. मेघा भी स्टोरी बोली, ऑडियो में भेजी है. आशीष भी ऑडियो में भेजा है. तो ये सब जब मैं सुना तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, बहुत पावर है इन बच्चों में. थोड़ा सा मेहनत करते रहेंगे. एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट, डू यू नो, आई रिवाइज द साइंस इन क्लास 7th yesterday. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. ये सब मैं डिस्कस किया. ये सिस्टमेटिक, जब ये सारे वर्ड्स हो जाएंगे, सेंटेंस बनाना, इफ यू लर्न देन साइंस, ओनली यू विल हैव टू रिमेम्बर द टर्म्स. कहाँ से आवाज आती है? ओके ओके. He turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age who was wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. her hair was stiff. Her hair was stiff. कोई डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. Her hair
सर
was
फांसी के घर से आ रहा है आवाज।
means she did not comb. Her hair was stiff. It means that she did not comb. She did not apply oil. And when we do not do these things to our hair, it becomes stiff. Stiff means hard.
Four.
हाँ हाँ, और बाद में भोले बाबा का जटा जैसे बन जाता है. Stiff and brownish. And she had a huge sack. She had a huge sack. Sack is clear? Sack.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir. Bora.
Yes, sack race.
Bora.
Sack race. एक एडवर्टीज में आता है, दौड़ता उछलता है और क्या
हाँ सर, दौड़ता कभी कभी दौड़ कर आता है.
हाँ, उसी में वो
अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया.
वेरी गुड.
सर अमूल का प्रचार होता है।
हाँ, वो उसमें सैक का दिया है. On one shoulder, the she had kept the sack on her one shoulder. She was picking up. Past continuous.
सही
Yes.
थी,
हाँ.
सुन रही थी.
Dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her sack. देख लीजिए into का use at the time of keeping into going inside the sack. Is it clear?
सर आवाज आ रहा है सर।
मेरा आवाज तो
आवाज आ रहा है।
2 बजे तक सोता रहता है।
सर दूसरा आवाज आ रहा है।
तो कहाँ से आ रहा है मुझे कुछ पता नहीं. मैं चेक करूँ क्या?
भारती.
सर भारती.
सर भारती घर से, सर भारती घर से।
कहाँ से?
भारती.
कहाँ से आ रहा है?
सर भारती घर।
Okay. Her hair was हो गया picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them. Stuff means keeping them, thrashing them.
अरे ना.
Yes, pressing them into her sack. Into is clear?
Sack.
Into is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Motion. What is she calling me? Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. The Velu thought in indirect narration.
Bellu thought that.
अरे that कैसे होगा? Oh my God. That कैसे होगा? Why is she calling me? Why is she calling me?
Bellu asked.
हाँ, Velu asked. Velu thought. Why? Velu thought. Why
she was calling him.
Calling. Very good.
So she was calling
Him. And why is a girl wearing a banyan? A girl wearing a banyan. It was surprising, amazing thing for Velu, because in city a girl does not wear banyan, and so there is a question to him. He was surprised at her dress wearing banyan. Clear hai?
Yes
sir.
Yes, sir.
No need
Yeah.
to stare stupidly. No need to stare stupidly. Clear hai? No need to stare stupidly, the girl said. The girl said that it was of no need to stare. Stupidly means foolishly. Stupidly means foolish. Clear? आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is your
Yes, sir.
name? The girl said to Velu, what is your name?
The girl asked.
Asked.
Ah,
The girl asked what his name was.
very good. What his name was. Very good. होमवर्क करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यदि यहाँ पर सब चीज करते जाएंगे, you need not to do that. Only those needed things you will do for commanding over the contents. Otherwise, the parts of the grammar can easily be assimilated, digested here. Assimilate, ध्यान दीजिए, digest. Yes, there is a little difference between assimilate and digest. Digest is the first part and assimilate is the second part. Means blood, means energy is assimilated by blood and supplied through the veins to the whole part of body, the energy. हाँ, okay. Velu muttered. Velu muttered.
Utter, mutter,
बड़बड़ाया.
murmur,
मरमर.
murmur.
आप पता चल रहा है कि झांसरा अगला. एक मिनट, एक कोई थैंक यू में नहीं बोल सकता. झांसरा आपको 2 साल पहले ही इन सारे वर्ड से वाकिफ करा दिए थे कि ये सबसे मुक्कलात होगी, और अभी हो रही है मुक्कलात.
Yes, sir.
Velu muttered Velu, looking away, means he spoke his name. He told his name. So Mr. Velu said the girl, looking at his bundle. उसके बंडल के तरफ उसका हाँ, run away from home means she understood that this boy has run away from his home. Clear? Run away from home. Make a full sentence. Make a full sentence. The girl said to Velu,
Dad.
run away from home. Make full sentence.
He had run away from the home.
He had ran away from his house.
नहीं तो ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. वाज रन अवे कैसे बताया गया. वाज, हाँ, टेंस प्रॉपर टेंस सेलेक्ट कीजिए.
Do you run away from your home?
गए लखनऊ. Now
You run away from your home.
now you see the girl
Run away
said
from
to Velu, have you run away from home? क्या तुम
Yes,
से भागाए हो? अभी हाँ. And now convert this sentence into indirect. Have you run away from home?
The girl asked with Velu.
Asked Velu सीधे, asked with नहीं.
The girl asked Velu.
हाँ.
You had run away.
मेघा है कि नहीं? मेघा का इसमें एक्सपर्ट है मेघा.
Had he run away from home? Had he run away from home?
वाह वाह वाह, क्या कमाल है. Interrogative sentence है. There are 2 interrogative sentences.
If he had run from the home.
If he had run away from the home. इसीलिए रिवीजन. ये कोई टीचर समझ जाते हैं कि नहीं मैं पढ़ा दिया हूँ, बच्चे समझ गए हैं. नहीं, ये बच्चे हैं. वो जब तक 25 बार नहीं कहेगा तब तक वो नहीं करेंगे. अपने मन से वो करते ही नहीं है. ओके. Velu did not answer. Velu did not answer. He did not want. Both sentences are past indefinite. To tell some strange girl what he had done. Array, what he had done. The what he had done, what do you mean by this? Means how he ran away from his home. He did not want to disclose. Disclose means
Yes. To open.
to
खोलना.
open secret. To open secret. The
Yes.
Velu did not want to disclose his secret.
Secret.
He had run away. Simple had. इतना देरी. He had run away. Past perfect.
The past perfect.
हाँ,
Past perfect.
हाँ, he had run away because he could not stand his father beating. यहाँ पर stand means सहन करना.
Yeah.
He could not stand.
Tolerance. Tolerance.
Tolerate. He could not tolerate. A tolerance is noun. Tolerate is a verb. The he could not tolerate means he could not stand means very good. He could not tolerate his father beating means his father had. कोई पढ़ते नहीं है ये.
Had
His father had
beaten.
वेरी गुड. ये मैं जानना चाहता हूँ had के बाद आप beaten यूज कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. Because his father had beaten him for one more day means he used to be beaten by his father.
Father.
Yes. हाँ, मम्मी जैसे पिटती ही नहीं है, खाली पप्पे पिटते हैं. कितना जोर से बोलिए फादर. हाँ, okay. His father would snatch. What is the meaning of would here? What is the meaning of this? Would. हाँ?
छीने होते.
नहीं. ये would if वाला में आप बोल रहे हैं. आप it वाला है. ये habit है. He.
Yes, बोले habit.
हाँ, और सचिन बोले हैं. He would snatch. वह छीन लिया करते थे.
Yes, would वाला है.
Used to है.
Used to.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
मतलब would मैं बता दिया हूँ. Used to means हमेशा. आप would means हमेशा परंतु कभी कभी है कि नहीं. बीच में गैप दे देगा.
Yes, sir.
And used to. अब ये थोड़ी देर में ऑफ होगा तो फिर मैं ओपन करूंगा. His father would
Yes, sir.
snatch away all the money. क्या बना सकते हैं?
So which
He had which he brought ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं.
Which he earned.
हाँ,
Which he earned.
Which value?
but मनी और वैल्यू के बीच में एक ही वर्ड भरना है. What will be?
Of. All the money of value.
मनी ऑफ वैल्यू. सोच लो वो छीन लिया है. तो यहाँ पर छीन लेगा तो किसी के पॉकेट से निकाल लेगा, इधर खींच लेगा तो अलग हो जाएगा ना. सेपरेशन है ना.